Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to explain you all the holiday homework that I have given to you and where you have to do the holiday homework because there are some queries that are coming to me. So first of all, you have to pay attention to this note part. Complete the work done till now in your fair notebook. Whatever work I have given to you, you have to complete the work. Learn and revise all the work done in the class. So you have to revise all the work. You have to do the practice of chapter number 1, whichever exercises we have covered. Okay, so dear parents, kindly make sure your word work should be neat and clean handwriting. It is very compulsory for you people to do this work in a very neat and clean handwriting. Okay, and you can use the colors, crayons and pencil color to make your work creative. Now come on general instruction. All the work must be handwritten, and it is very much mandatory for you people so that you people submit your work on 5th June 5/6/2021, and this work holiday homework work will be assessed on the basis of neatness, clarity and completion of all the work in time. Okay, so you have to submit your work on time and you have to complete your work on time also. So learn and write tables till 2 to 20. You have to write the table 5 times in your mathematics fair notebook. You have to write this tables in your mathematics fair notebook 5 times. 2 to 20 you have to learn the tables also. Do all the worksheet 3, 4, 5 worksheet I have given you in the mathematics fair notebook. You have to do this worksheet in your mathematics fair notebook. Now you have to learn Roman number till 1 to 50, not 100. 1 to 50 you have to learn the Roman numbers. Okay, then color the box with the prime numbers. Make a trail to help. The trail means track. You have to find mouse to find the cheese. So this one is mouse. If you cannot print out this page, you can draw this. You can take the help of your parents and draw this box in your notebook. If you are unable to draw this mouse, cat and snake and cheese, what you can do is you simply write mouse, cat, snake and cheese. Here you have to find the prime numbers, and then you have to find out the track from where this mouse can go to cheese. Okay, so you have to find it like this and you have to color the prime numbers. Okay, so now let us come to question number worksheet number 3, large number, that I have given you very easy worksheets that I have given to you people. So here you have been given the use greater than, less than and the is equals to sign in the blank spaces to make the below mentioned sentence correct. So if I have brought the printouts. Okay, you can write this in your notebook and then you can do all the questions, no problem, no need to find or get the printouts. If you are unable to get the printouts, you can write the questions in your notebook and then you can do this work. And you have, it's very much compulsory for you people to write the question and then you have to write the answer. So here we have to compare this number, which one is greater, which one is smaller. So quite an easy, if the number is same, so you have to write is equals to. So suppose this 15 is equal 15 blank 5 multiply by 3. 5 multiply by 3 is also 15, so there will be is equals to sign. Read each number and give it in the expansive notation you have to write. So here 5 is ones place, so you will write 5 here. 6 is at tens place, so 6. 2 is at 100 place, so you have to write 2 here. So like this you have to do all the question. Here you have to write smallest one digit number, greatest one digit number, so the smallest two digit number, three digit number. Like this we have done all these questions in first class, so I hope you will be able to do it. Now here in question number 4, you have to find out the underline place value, underline number place value, underline digit in the following number. So place value you have to tell the underline digit. So here 6 is at ones, tens, hundreds, so 6 is at tens, so 6 tens you can write. 5 is at 100 place, so you can write 500. Like this you have to tell. Give the expanded form of the following number. Already one question is given to you. 280 plus 4, 200, two digits are there after 2, so that's why 2 zeros. Then 8, we have one digit after 8, so we will write 1 0. 4, we don't have any digit after 4, so we will write 4 only. Like this you have to write the expanded form. Now give the compact form of the following. So you have to do the exact opposite of this question here. So here you are having 26, so 6 as it is not having any 0, so yeah, it is on first place. As it is having 1 0, so it is on tens place. If it is having 2 0, it means it is on 100 place. The number will be 26. Here the number will be 546. 100 place, tens place, ones place. Write the number name of the following numbers. So simply I'm actually revising all the things that you have done in second, third, fourth and class. So what is the number of this number? 76, 567, like this you have to write. Counting by hundreds, write the number 515, then we have to skip hundreds, so it will be 615, then 715, like this you have to write in this number. Rearrange the following number in descending order, so you have to write the biggest number first, then you have to write the smallest numbers. Here also you have to write the biggest number first and then you have to write the smallest number. Rearrange the following number in ascending order, so here you have to write the smallest number first and then you have to write the biggest number. Here you have to write the smallest number, then you have to go for the bigger numbers. Complete the number pattern here. So we have to see whether the number is increasing or decreasing. As you can see that they are 308, this is 308, 313, so it means that number is increasing. By how much? So you have to find it out. 308 plus 5 is 313 and 313 plus 5 is 318. So next 5 is, you have to add 5 and then you will get the number. So like this you have to find the pattern and then you have to write the numbers here. What comes before and what comes after? So you have to write the predecessor, means one number less, and successor, one, you have to add 1 in this, so it will be one number before and one number after. Then you have what comes between in the following number, so you have to write the number that comes in between. So 489 plus 1 is 490, so then you have to write like this. Write the number in fives form, so that is 735, then you have to write, skip 4, 740, then 745, like this you have to write. 650, 655, 660, like this you have to write. Like this in tens form, so it will be 110, 120, so like this you have to write 10 numbers you have to skip and then you have to write. In number form, 1 to 100, how many times digit 0 appear? So 1 to 100, how many times 0 appear, that you have to write. 9 times, 11 times, 10 times, 12 times. Okay, so you have to count the number of times 0 we write. Like for example in 20, 30, 40 we are writing 10. Okay, so how many times we are writing, so that we have to take. The smallest 3 number formed is, which one is the smallest 3 number out of all this? 3 digit number. You have to be careful about this thing, that it is 3 digit number. Write down the number from 1 to 31 after another, which digit is on 25th place. So when we are writing from 1 to 30, which number will be on 25th place? That is 7351. Okay, from the number 524, if the girl opts the digit 4, she gets 4th place to occupy. If she opts 5, she gets 500th place. If she opts 2, which place she will occupy? So here as you can see that 4 is at 1's place, 2 is at 10's place and 5 is at 100th place. So he is saying when she is opting 4, so she is getting 4th place. When she is opting for 5, she is getting 500th place. So when she is opting 2, so which place it will get? So we are having 200, 60th, 30th or 20th. So it will be 20th. Sum of the place value of 6 and 5 in. So 5 is at 1's place, 6 is at 100 place. So you have to add this number and then you will be able to get the answer. 89 can be written as, so which one is the correct form of this? So 80 is at 10's place and 9 is at 1's place. You have to be careful about this thing. The number 645 has how many hundreds? So 1400, 400, 700, 600. 6 more than 100 is, so when you add more than 6 more than 100 is, so you have to add 6 in 100, so then you will get the answer. Look at the number in the box: 50, 30, 11, 96, 35, 36, 45. Which of the following is true about the numbers in the box? They all are greater than 55. Are they all greater than 55? They all are between 10 to 100. They all are less than 96. They all are greater than 20. So that's what you have to find it out. Write the number next to each other, the following number. So you have to write the next number after this, so you have to add +1 in this and then you will get the number. Okay, it means that you have to write the successor here. So here you have to write the predecessor, means you have to subtract 1 from this number and then you will get the predecessor, a number before this number. Write the greatest number of 4-digit number. You have to write 5-digit number, 2-digit number and 3-digit number. Write the smallest number of 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, like this you have to do. Write the numbers given in the expanding notation. Again you have got this number, but here you are having thousands also. So here 5 you will come at 5, 10, this 5 will come at tens, and this 2 will come at 100, and this one will come at 1000, like this you have to do. So here you have to tell the place value of this underlined digit in question number 30. So it is 2000. 6 is at tens place, so 6 tens. Give the expanded following. So here 2 is having 3 digits, so 3230. Then 7 is having 2 digits, so you will write 720. 8 is having 1 digit, so 80. Like this you have to write the expanded form. Again the complete opposite of that question, that is 1000 plus 400 plus 40 plus 5. So here what you will do is you have to write 5 is at ones place, 4 is at tens place, 100 is having 2 zeros, so that's why 100 is having 100 place, 4 is having 100 place, and 1 is having 1000 is having 1000 place, so 1 is will become at 1000 place. Like this you have to make the numbers. Put the correct sign. So here you have to tell which one is greater, which one is smaller, which one is equal. So as you can see, this one is smaller, this one is greater, so you will open the mouth of the beak here in this side. So here 4 multiplied by 1000 is also 4000 and 4000, so these two numbers are equal, so you have to put the is equal to sign. How many 4 digit numbers can be formed using 7802? How many digits, how many numbers you can form by 4 digit numbers? So you have to see that you can, how many patterns you can create by this 4 digit numbers. So you have to tick that. Which of the following is correct? So you have to find out which number name is written correct. Like for example 521, is it correct? 720, is it correct? 252, no one is correct, so you have to put it on that. Which place value will determine the larger number of the two? So which place value will tell larger number? Once it will tell tens or 100 or 1000. Which place value will tell the biggest number of this number? So here this as 7 7 are equal, but here the 100 place value we can see that we are having 2 and here we are having 9. So here as you can see that this 100 place value we are having different, and this one is bigger by at 100 place, so that's why this one is bigger, so we will say 100 is the bigger one. 4 friends are playing a number game. Each of them is writing favorite number. Who wrote the least number? So which one is writing the least number? Bob, Kathy, John or Ryan? So these numbers are written by Bob, this Kathy, John and Ryan. So you have to see which number is the smallest, which number is the smallest number, which one is the smallest number, and then you have to tick it. The number having 4 in the 100 place, 7 at ones place, and 2 is in the tens place. So then what is the number? So 400, 7, 10. So 472 is the number. So you have to tick 470. Ryan wrote a number in the blackboard as shown below, 8-79. It is formed from 4 digit number. Then which number could be placed the gap to make it the biggest number? So which number should I write at this gap so that it will become the biggest number? So obviously you have to choose the biggest number here. Which number has 5 in tens place and 9 in 100 place? So you have to check which one is having 5 at 100 tens place and 9 in at 100 place. So this one is not having, this one you can check. What is the value of 2? So value of 2 means place value of 2. So which one is the correct one? Which digit of this number is in the 1000 place? So 1000 place, which number we have written, you have to tick that. Write the number name. You simply have to write the number names here. Write the following numbers in figure. So you have to write this numbers in the write the numbers in the write the this number name into figures. So you have to write the digits here. Write the following numbers interchanging the digits at the 1000 place and tens place. So you have to change the 1000 and tens place. If 7 is written at 1000 and 9 is written at tens place, so you have to interchange. So it will become 9572. Like this here also 6573. So you have to change the tens and 1000 place value. Write the following number interchanging digit at 10,000 place and tens place. So now you have to change the 10,000 place and tens place. So here it will become 63857. So you have to change this 10,000 digit and your tens digit. So it will become 638, and this will come at this place 5 and 7. Like this you have to write. Arrange digit in the place value table. So you have to arrange it in the place value table. So ones will come at 8 will come at ones, 9 will come at tens, and 5 will come at 100. So rewrite the following in ascending order. You have to write the biggest number, the smallest number first, and then you have to write the biggest numbers. Like this, you have to do the in ascending order. Rewrite the following number in descending order. So you have to write the biggest number first, and then you have to write the smallest number. So here this you have been given the following this number names, and you have to write this number in digits. Okay, so figures you have to write, and then you have been given this numbers. Rewrite the numbers putting according to the international system. You have to write international system, you have to write this numbers. Okay, according to the international system, you have to simply write the numbers by putting the commas. And here you have been given the numbers, write the following numbers in words. So number names you have to write. Okay, this is the worksheet 3 that you have to do. Then you have this Roman numeral worksheet, that is worksheet 4. Here simply you have to write that 1 and b is equals to 4, 1 and x is equals to 9. So simply you have to write the numbers, Arabic Hindu Arabic numerals. Then you have to write how we write 18. So 18 is your 10 means x, and then you have 5, then 3, this 1. So this is 17, and then one more line you will write, so it will be 18. So you have to write in Roman numerals. Then you have to compare. So how to compare? You can write this one is 9 and this one is 11. So 11 is bigger, so that's why you can put you can open your beak like this. So like this you have to write, and you have to compare the numbers. Here fill in the blanks and spaces. So first is question number 4. So correct the statement. If these statements are incorrect, you have to correct. So symbol 5 represents 10, so it is wrong, as symbol 5 represent 5. Okay, this V represent 5, so you will write 5 here, or you can write the symbol X represent 10. The symbol C represent 50, so I have already told you to check whether this symbol C represent 50. No, it is incorrect, because L represent 50. So like this you have to check. Okay, and this question is 5 V plus 9. V plus 9 is V plus 9 is equals to, the V is 5, and 9, 5 plus 9 is 14. So you have to add this. For example, this question is given, so this is 20 and this one is 7. So 20 minus 7 is your 13. So you will write 13 like this. You have to learn the Roman numbers till 50, and then only you will be able to do this worksheet. Okay, then we are having worksheet 5, large numbers. Round off the following number in the nearest tens and 100, that we have done in your third class also. So if you are rounding off the till nearest 10, so what you have to do is, you have been given 804, so you have to see 4 here. 4 we have to compare with 5. 4 we have to compare with 5, and then what you will do, 4 you will compare, as 4 is smaller than 5, so you will not add any number here, so the round off will be 800. Then you will compare this 5 with 5. 5 is equals to 5. When the number is from between 0 to 4, you will not add any number at 100 place. You will not add 1 at 100 place. You will simply keep it like this. When the number is between 5 to 9, you have to compare the number, and then you have to add 1 at 100 place. As it is given 5, so you have to add 1 here, so it will become 970. Here 334 is written, so 4 is smaller than 5, so that's why we will not add any 1 here. You will write simply here 330. So like this we used to do round off. Here in round off the following number in the nearest 100. So 100, we will see this 100 place value, this tens place value number. So 6 is bigger than 5, so you have to add 1 here, 1 at 100 place value, so it will become 6, and this two numbers will become 0, so the round off will be 600. Then we have this 4. 4 is smaller than 5, so you will not add any number at 3. You will only write 3 here, and it will become 300. 674, so 7 is there. 7 is bigger than 5, so we will add 1 at 6 place, and then it will become 7, and this 20 we will write as it is, so it will become 700. I hope this worksheet is clear to everyone, and you will be doing all the work. Please submit your worksheet as soon as possible, so that I can check and it is very much compulsory for you people to submit all the holiday homework in neat and clean manner. Do your work early as early as possible and submit your work. Bye bye students.